Yes, baby. But not now when she's coming out, though. Still getting ready? I thought I saw her done her makeup and everything. You cannot be serious that she's getting ready. Call Verwan out. No, Verwan. Oh, he has to be in it. Yeah. Tell him it's Vivi gonna get his birthday gift. So,
Come on, let's go live.
Achetons Machin pour Vivi 2022. Et ça le te vle, c'est machine ça le te vle. L'autre machine là, offre li va te vle. So 22. Dènye Modèl yo. Sports. Start it, Bill. Start the car. Je dis manager France merci parce que m'te bloqué Haïti, c'est manager France qui t'a fait toute organisation, chercher machine là acheté depuis Florida et puis nous ship li vin New Jersey pour lui parce que Bell started baby. Yeah. Machine là vin journey New Jersey. What happened? Where is she? Huh? What? He's sick? That one is sick? I don't hear Rowan coughing. Okay, when Vivi come out, tell him to just follow Vivi. And then put a jacket on him. Yeah. Because he has to be on it. Don't? I'm making it obvious if I go and be like, Vivi, Belle is asking for you. She will be so confused, like, why is Belle outside asking for me? Why doesn't she come in the house? I don't know. I know. You see her? Fuck. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. She's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. She's wearing a dress. Is she wearing a dress? Let me on BMW vient d'avoir lâché bali al dit non le pas mais BM. On da ça le besoin. Alors par contre si machine là non dit connaît machine là a acheté mais par contre si machine là joli hein. Mais juste besoin de sortir pour Noël, les ouvre votre là le sortir. Let me go find out what's going on, Bells. Don't? I'm making it obvious if I go and be like, Vivi, Bells is asking for you. She will be so confused, like, why is Belle outside asking for me? Why doesn't she come in the house? I don't know. I know. You see her? Fuck. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. She's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. She's wearing a dress. Is she wearing a dress? Oh fuck. You see her? You see her? Mama. You know what? I'm gonna kill Eve because if that was me, I would have been getting her out. Vivi, oh my god, come over here. You gotta see this shit. She's coming. My god, she's coming. Is she coming? She's coming down the stairs. Bells, close the door. Close the door. Put the music up, Belle. Put the music up. Open the champagne. Start opening the champagne. Put the music up. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vivi. What's that? Happy birthday to you. you, my love. Shall I open the champagne? We love you. Oh, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, don't cry, mama. I love you. Mm-hmm. Don't cry. Are you happy? Those are happy tears. There you go, mama. Same color you asked. Same everything. He's like, Daddy, you have to enjoy your car.
Happy birthday, beautiful.
Wait, don't start the car.
In front of the car, maybe. We're going inside? Hey.
Enjoy the car. I mean,
You want to drive? That's it. I'm going. It's okay, baby. You can go back in. I just wanted you to be it. Babe, Daddy said you're sick.
he's been sick. He woke up for like 3 days.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Basically, I already know what the kid is.
You wanted her to have it. That's why I wanted him to see. L'amour, bring L'amour to see the car. He doesn't have a leash? There you go, my driver. Can I have a ride?
Okay.
Champagne, let's go. We're getting in the car. Ooh, hey. Let's go, driver. Hey. Yeah, the lights are on. The